Hi everyone, and welcome to the session for Python related questions, which mostly asked in the data engineering interview. Okay, in the last, you will get a very important question, so be with us. Okay, so let's start the first question. Find duplicates element in a list. Okay, so most of the time you will see such question in the interview. So suppose we have some numbers in a list. Okay, like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so now what are the duplicates? So if you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So 1, 2 is getting duplicates. We need to find out the duplicates only. So what will be the expected output? Okay. So output will be a list in which you will have these numbers, okay? Because these are the duplicates, right? So what we are going to do, how to solve it? So as you know, in list, you can have duplicates, but in set, which is a data type of Python, you can't have the duplicates. So we can use two sets here, okay? So one set we will see, which will store the numbers and counted for the first time, okay? So first time they are getting coming up, so we will store those numbers. Then in second set, we will create which name we will keep like duplicates. Okay. In that, we will store numbers that are coming more than one. Okay. So for every number, if it is already in the scene, okay, we will add it into the duplicates. Otherwise, we will add it into the first variable or set variable that is scene. Okay. So using set, we can basically check the members very quickly and making the overall time complexity as your ON. Okay. So let's do it. And you already have this number, this variable list, right? So let me create quickly a set. Okay. So in this set, I'll just firstly keep as empty, and let's create a duplicate. Just I'm writing the variable name. Okay. That is also a set. Now what we will do, we will run a loop, for loop on it. Okay. So for, can say num in numbers. Okay. So I will run a for loop on the numbers, and what I will check if this number is available, okay, in the scene. Okay. So what will happen? It will append. Okay. Sorry, add. Okay, in the duplicates. Okay. If this number is in the scene, then add in the duplicates. Okay. So currently there is no number, so it will not add. But in the next time, it will check. Okay. Else, what it will do? It will add in the scene. Okay. What it will add? It will add the number. Okay, let me show you. So what it will do when you will basically print the duplicates. Okay, so what will happen? Let me run it. Okay. And okay, make it visible to you. So you can see here, the duplicates are coming. Oh, okay, so what happening basically here, if you check for numbers and number, so this is where iterating the creating the numbers, okay, in which we are going and checking if number is in scene, okay, and add into the duplicates, okay. If not in the scene, then add in the scene. Basically, if not in the number, then add it in the scene. So what happening is, if duplicates are coming, they will be added in the duplicates only. If no duplicate is coming, then they are getting added in the scene. So if you check in the scene, what you will get? One second, let me run it. Okay. So in the scene, these are the unique numbers. Okay. But we needed duplicates, so we got this. Now the interviewer can ask you, but you have given a list, sorry, set, but required input was list. Okay. This is the required output is list. Okay. So what you will do? You just write here list. Inside that, write the duplicate. Okay. The duplicate is a set, but we will convert it into the list. Now we got the exact out. Okay. Sure. Understand? Now let's check another question. Next question. You need to group by employees by department using Python. Okay. So what will be the input? Suppose you are having an input list. You need to group employees, okay, by their department. Okay. And how you will get the employees? You will have a variable. Okay. Suppose rupees is an employee. And what is the department here? IT. Okay. Let's take IT department. So similarly, we will add more employee. Okay. Now fine. Now what you need to do, you need to group by them. Okay. So what will be the expected output? So I will show you. So expected output should be IT who have. We have Rupesh. Okay. Next one is Suresh. Next one is David. Okay. So we have these three employee in IT. Okay. Similarly, we will have another department, for example, like HR department. Like take the finance department. So for finance department, we have, I think, one employee, right? So finance, we have only Dinesh. Similarly, for other department also, it will be comma separated. It will be added. Okay. So how you will do it? Okay. So let me just comment it out because this is the output we want. So how to do it? So this is common ETL, or you can say a data engineering problem. Okay. So basically, you need to create a dictionary. Okay. In dictionary, for each employee, we will check that whether the department is already exist as a key. Okay. If not, then we will create an empty list. Okay. And then we will append the employee name to that department. Okay. So this approach will be like a simple pass, like process the data in a single pass. Okay. And time complexity will be OM. Okay. So let me check. So we already have this employee. It's yeah, employees thing we already have, and output we want this. Okay. So what we will do, we will create a, you can say, our dictionary first. So like just right here. Okay. Then for name department in employees. Okay. So in employees we already have data. If department is like key, right? Not in group. So group is currently empty. Okay. So what will happen in group? We will add this as a key. So we will add here department equal to blank. Okay. And outside it, what we will add? Grouped department dot append. Okay. And we will append the name. Okay. So now let me print it. Then you will understand what's happening here. We will print the group. Okay. Right. Okay, now you see what happening. So it have basically added as a key will be IT. Okay, key will be the department names, finance, HR. Okay, and it's finding basically what happening is here we have appended the name in the grouped department. We have appended the name, right? So in the group department, so for each department we are adding the names. So in IT we have added Rupesh, Suresh, and David. For finance we have added Dinesh. Similarly, so also. So what happening basically, it's checking for name and department in the employees. Okay, so in employees, if you see, it's already written name and department. Okay, so it's checking that. Now it's getting name and getting department. So firstly, what we are doing is, if department not in group, then we are creating a new key and we are adding that key here. Okay, and keeping their values as empty. But later on, if it's appending the as per the department, it's appending the name. Okay, so that's why you are getting this. Okay, okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Okay, thank you everyone, and do subscribe the channel.